大家好，我是欧比王，上课喽。
Vocabulary class.
Now we are going to learn this character. It is pronounced as
天
Let's see how to write this character. This character has 4 strokes.
天 天
It means sky, day, season, weather. Let's review the pronunciation of the rhythm of the 4 tones.
一、安、
烟
特、
烟天
天天甜甜甜
This character is the first tone, so it should be
天
The origin of this character.
There are many theories about the origin of words. We only take the ones that are easier to understand.
天
This word originally meant peak, top, and later was extended to mean the sky above, the highest sky. In oracle bone script and bronze script, a human figure was first carved below, and a dot was originally used above to mark the forehead of the person to symbolize top. But because it is difficult to carve a dot, it was changed to a horizontal stroke. That's the origin of this word.
天
It looked like this in oracle bone script.
天
It looked like this in bamboo slip.
天
That's the origin of this word.
The meaning of this character.
天
It means sky, one day, daytime, season, weather, nature, extreme.
天
It means sky, blue sky, the world.
天空
Sky,
蓝天
blue sky.
天下
In ancient time, people think all lands under sky belong to China, so this phrase means the territory or the whole world.
天空
Sky,
你看蓝天白云的天空真美丽天
it means a whole day, 24 hours. When combined with other characters, it can mean today, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, etc. Today,
今天
tomorrow,
明天
the day after tomorrow,
后天
tomorrow,
明天明天晚上8点我们班要聚餐记得准时来
It also refers to daytime, all day, every day. Daytime,
白天
during the day, the world is bright as white, so white plus sky becomes daytime. All day,
整天
every day,
天天
all day,
整天
你整天都不在家，到底都去哪儿了？
daytime,
白天
宝贝，白天别睡太多觉，这样晚上会睡不着。
天
when it combines with season, such as summer, it means summertime.
春天
Spring,
夏天
summer,
秋天
autumn,
冬天
winter,
春天
spring.
春天来了万物复苏森林里的小动物都跑出来了夏天
Summer,
夏天就应该要去海边晒晒太阳挖沙坑秋天
autumn,
秋天的枫叶非常美丽在枫叶林中散步十分惬意冬天
winter,
冬天一到 他就会去山上滑雪，那是他最爱做的事。
When this word is combined with weather, it is often used in weather forecasts.
晴天、
Sunny days,
阴天、
overcast,
雨天、
rainy days,
雨天。
rainy days.
天气预报说，接下来3天都会是雨天。
天
Natural talent, natural materials, or things are as high as sky.
天才、
Genius,
天然、
natural,
天价、
sky high price.
天才。
Genius,
他被誉为最年轻的化学天才，获奖无数。
Word in daily life.
regardless of religion, the Chinese people generally believe in.
天，
In our eyes,
天，
is the sky, the universe, heaven, creator of everything, the power of nature and destiny. In all the most difficult moments, we will pray to
天，
and when we are happy, glorious, and fortunate, we will thank.
天，
When we are surprised, get shocked, we will call on.
天啊，
In the hearts of Chinese people,
天，
is like our Father, serious and merciful.
上天啊，
It means, O God,
上天啊，请您保佑大哥可以平安归来。老天爷，
it means, God,
老天爷啊，为什么不能让我再赌赢一把，我就能全部翻盘了？
Although the English translation is God in Chinese, it refers to the sky, the creator of the universe, and the origin of all destiny. That's
天，
Finally, let us appreciate the works of famous calligraphers in history.
天，
Which one is your favorite? That's it for today. Remember to download and print the PDF file for writing practice, or download the JPG file to practice on your mobile phone. Ciao.